the grout that's used in the joints is actually American natural cement used in all of our third system fortifications in America, discovered in 1821 in our country. And so this is probably the first time the two materials have ever been used together to mimic a 1930s material. It goes back into that wall and cuts out across this way. There's a giant beam that runs straight back from here, and then there are tie rods inside that wall fastening the other end of that beam, which is balanced by the north-south beam, into the foundation of those tie rods. And so the fireplace mass is holding one end, and these tie rods are holding the other end. Now the question could be, well, what's holding this cross beam, this north-south beam? Well, that's being held up by the giant beam that goes over the entire living room that forms the clerestory. So it's the giant, everything's a balancing act, and we were a little concerned whether it would work or not, but it's working. The trees on the site were laid out at 36 feet on center. That was divided up into 6-foot increments, okay? Eventually that was divided up into 3-foot increments, and all these blocks are 3 feet increments, all right? And then he divided that into 4 and created 9-inch squares. Each block is 4 9-inch squares, and so therefore that's how we developed his vertical grid system that everything is based on.